In this video, I'll show you how to convert euro to USDT on KuCoin. First, open the KuCoin app or website and log into your account. Before converting to USDT, you need to make sure your euro balance is already available in your KuCoin account. If your euros are still in your bank, you'll first need to deposit them into KuCoin using the available fiat deposit options. Once the euros are in your account, go to the trade section and open the spot trading page. In the trading interface, search for the EUR/USDT trading pair. This pair allows you to directly exchange euros for USDT. Next, choose the type of order you want to place. The easiest option is a market order, which converts your EUR to USDT instantly at the current market price. Enter the amount of euros you want to convert, then review the estimated amount of USDT you will receive. After checking the details, click Buy USDT to confirm the transaction. KuCoin will process the order immediately, and the USDT will appear in your trading account. You can now hold the USDT, trade other cryptocurrencies, or transfer it to another wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.